Chapter 10, Exporting to GEOPAK. In this chapter, we're going to take a look at things that you can export out of ConceptStation, including GEOPAK information and v7.7 as well, traffic analysis. So we're going to go into that Bighorn project. The export will export pretty much everything from this file. So we're going to go to the backstage, and down here towards the middle we've got export. These are all the things that we can export out. We can export a v7.7 traffic model, which takes all of our lines and puts them in v7.7, a DGN, an ALG for the alignment, a land XML file if you want, ITL, which is our template library. An IRD is the corridor if you want that, and then a TIN file, a GEOPAK TIN file. So if you export all that, you get to tell it where to export it to. So we'll just put it right back in our project there, and it's exporting that. Everything that we did now is exported successfully. Typically there are no issues with exporting. It works pretty well. And then we can go take a look at that. So we've got our Bighorn project location here, and if we go into the other folder that's in there, you can see that it's exported quite a bit of stuff here. We've got the XML file, we've got the INPX, which is the one for v7.7, we've got a MicroStation DGN file, and then we've got a lot of JPEGs that provide materials for anything that we've exported. So if there's concrete in there, it'll know how to apply that to that. The ALG for the alignment, the ITL for the template library, and we'll take a look at that template library here in just a little bit. And then this is the terrain model at the very bottom. So it does that. Let's take a look at the MicroStation file. It created a 3D MicroStation file, which you can see at the top of the drawing here. It's a 3D file. It pulls it in. The units are more than likely going to be in a metric type unit when it brings it in, but you can change that to survey feet. No issues there. As you can go in, you can see all the existing roadway comes in, the new stuff comes in, the bridges come in. If we rotate this around in MicroStation, you can see that pretty much everything comes in. We could import the terrain model if we wanted to in here. Import any of the alignments that we did. We can import those with the ALG, just with the regular import tools in GEOPAK. As you can see, that's how the existing bridge come across. It looks just like it does in ConceptStation. So over here on the tasks, you can also take a look at the template library that came across or exported out. So we can go into GEOPAK and go into the Create Template, and we can open up that template library, and that will be in our ConceptStation project folder. So there it is, the export ITL, and this is what it looks like when it comes across. So it's not too terribly different than the ones that we create. You can double click on points and modify them. Now you can do parametric constraints, you can do point controls, all that kind of stuff that you can do in GEOPAK. So the ConceptStation is a great way to start to get your alternatives in, and then you can export them out into GEOPAK, and then you could even change the template library to one of the ones that we have in GEOPAK to utilize those. Okay, so that's exporting everything over to GEOPAK.